Hello guys, so we are done working on the CRV that we're working on, but it came back with an issue. The power steering is making a rattling noise, and we're just working on it to see what's happening with it, and then we'll updating. So let me just show you what the car is doing. Let me cut the video and put it in front mode so that you can see what we're working with. I started the car. Let me show you. Turn the steering. You hear the sound. Melissa, you're turning steering. Huh? You're turning steering. Okay. Yeah, boom. So this behavior is coming out from because it's breathing air in here. So when it's breathing air, it creates foam from here that's coming forward from the power steering. So it's a matter of a loose spring. As you can see here, the seal, there's no seal. So I'm just going to fit another seal on it, the one Tafaz was putting on now. And then I'm sure after putting that one will be all good and ready to go. Because it's really an annoying noise. Musamoja nje ndio noise ya usatanga steering mungu imuso tanga kurana. So the trick on it is that first you start the car and let it run for a few minutes, and then you start turning the steering, put the noise on. Okay, so the trick on this thing is that when you fit the seal, some call it the O-ring, when you fit it on the car, you're supposed to take a few minutes, just the engine idling, and then you turn the engine left, right. So Melissa, can you start the car? And then you feel the difference in it. You feel the difference and the sound will be gone. Okay, let my guys start the car. You're not steering. As you can see, turning the steering, there's no noise out of it. Okay, so good. Okay, so subscribe on our channel. We'll be getting a lot of videos on cars that we'll be working on. Stay tuned.